Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and pretty neat little design that you can keep going forever. You could have that as many as you wanted in it. So, and I use this a lot. Just make an ellipse, make a duplicate of that, and have it stop right there. And then a lot of people do it different. I use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. Actually, it's white. I don't want white. Let's go with blue, just so you can see it. Then just move that out of the way, delete this. I prefer left click, right click, take away the outline or leave the outline, rotate it 45 degrees, control D and make a duplicate and move it over holding down the control key. Make a duplicate, hold it over, hold down the control button. And then just make another, well, that's one thing I don't like about the control D. Control D and just make another duplicate. Take these two, control D, get the two-sided arrow while holding down the control button. And then you could actually grab four at a time, as long as you're not touching the whole thing. Control D. I didn't get the two-sided arrow. See there? Then you could just keep going. Control D, get the two-sided arrow, move it over. And I've already got that one designed, but you could just keep going. Control D, two-sided arrow. Control D, two-sided arrow. And look at that, in just a few seconds, you made a pretty cool pattern. Now, if you'd already filled it in before, and we could, let's, well, instead of ungrouping it, just take your Smart Fill tool, fill that in, and nudge it over. Well, let's change our nudge factor with nothing selected. Let's change it pretty big. And let's fill this in with blue. Fill that one in with blue. And I'll make it a color. I made the other one white just so we could see it. And you have that pattern. So now you could do the same thing. Control D to duplicate. While holding, I just keep my hand on the Control D. And see if you do it like this, the pattern will alternate. Control D, two-sided arrow. And then you could take all of them, Control D, two-sided arrow. Control D, you just keep grabbing them and go whatever direction you want. And you've got that pattern. Anyway, just quick and simple little pattern. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.